Hey guys, what's going on? So the video that you're about to watch is old footage. It's probably close to 2 months old at this point. But I'm working on getting some newer stuff edited. I'm going to use this as a filler because I'm trying to do a video a week. It's not the best, but it's going to give you some backstory about a car that I picked up for my wife's to drive as a daily driver, and the process, or at least a quick overview of the process of getting it through an R title inspection to the APA. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe at the end. Thanks, guys. Okay. All right, guys. We were on our way home from date night dinner, and the tire light came on my wife's car. So we're gonna fix that. See what's going on with it. Probably got a nail in it. No keys. There we go. Now we're in business. All right. Pressure loss detected. Hmm. All right, guys. It wasn't really
low. They were at 32 psi. They're supposed to be at 44, so I guess technically they were low, but they were all low. So I need to figure out how to reset the tire pressure. That right? Let's go give it a test drive. Move my wife's seat too, so she can help me for that later. So we haven't talked about a lot of vehicles that I own on the channel yet. This particular Volkswagen Tiguan actually came from Copart. It was a salvage title vehicle and flood. So I actually bought it for a pretty good price. And then, other than having to redo or replace the airbag control module, the shift control module, and the backup camera. That was actually it. It was fairly simple. I paid $14 for it. Brand new. I mean, it was 2020. We bought it in 2021. It only had like 12,000 miles on it. And really pretty cheaply, about $1,000 in modules, had it back on the road. So for 15,000 or so, had a couple $30,000 SUV running on the road. The Pennsylvania where we live, the enhanced inspections really weren't a big deal as long as you had everything fixed, all your lights and everything off. It seemed to do it. Looks like our tire pressure lights all reset. So that'll be it for tonight, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Should be some good content coming soon with some actual fabrication work on the Suzuki, and then we're going to be diving into the motor replacement on the HHR. I've actually started that, but trying to get that all in one video so it's not too jumbled. So I keep talking about it, but it is coming. So like, subscribe, give me any comments on what you want to see, what I can do better. It's a new channel, so I'm open to criticism. Good night.